Hey everyone, welcome back to Futuristic Rides. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated electric SUVs of the future, the 2026 BMW iX45. BMW continues to push the boundaries of luxury EVs, and the iX45 is no exception. With a bold new design, impressive performance, cutting-edge technology, and a luxurious interior, this SUV is set to redefine the electric driving experience. The exterior of the 2026 BMW iX45 embraces a futuristic yet aggressive look. It features a sleeker front grille with an illuminated BMW emblem, giving it a high-tech presence on the road. The slim, laser-powered headlights stretch seamlessly into the body, while aerodynamic sculpting enhances both aesthetics and efficiency. BMW has introduced new flush door handles and a seamless panoramic glass roof, adding a refined touch. The rear showcases a dynamic light bar, creating a modern and sophisticated feel. With lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum, the iX45 ensures maximum performance while maintaining a strong and durable structure. Under the hood, the iX45 is all about power and efficiency. Equipped with BMW's latest dual-motor all-wheel drive system, it delivers an estimated 600 horsepower, making it one of the fastest electric SUVs in its class. The acceleration is stunning, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. BMW has enhanced the battery technology, offering a range of up to 400 miles on a full charge. Fast charging capabilities allow the battery to reach 80% in just 20 minutes. The iX45 also features an advanced regenerative braking system, improving energy efficiency and driving dynamics. With adaptive air suspension and BMW's xDrive technology, the ride is not only smooth but also highly responsive, ensuring top-tier handling on any terrain. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a high-tech, luxurious cabin that blends comfort with innovation. The iX45 features a minimalist yet futuristic dashboard with a curved OLED display, seamlessly integrating the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. BMW's latest iDrive system is enhanced with AI-powered voice recognition, making interaction smoother than ever. The interior is crafted from sustainable materials, including premium vegan leather and eco-friendly wood trims. Spacious seating with customizable ambient lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere, while the crystal glass gear selector and floating center console add to the premium feel. A state-of-the-art Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system ensures a truly immersive audio experience. One of the most unique features of the iX45 is BMW's new intelligent Vision Windshield. This augmented reality-enabled display projects navigation, speed, and even interactive safety alerts directly onto the windshield, making driving safer and more intuitive. The SUV is also equipped with full Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing hands-free highway cruising with AI-assisted lane changes. Another standout feature is the smart glass roof, which can switch between transparent and opaque modes at the touch of a button, offering both privacy and an open-air experience. Additionally, BMW's advanced keyless system allows drivers to unlock and start the vehicle using facial recognition and fingerprint scanning. The 2026 BMW iX45 is a game-changer in the electric SUV market, combining luxury, performance, and innovation in a way that only BMW can. With its futuristic design, impressive speed, high-tech interior, and groundbreaking features, this SUV is set to make waves in the automotive industry. Let us know in the comments what you think about the iX45, and if you'd consider making it your next EV. Thanks for watching.